Let's continue with the disliking of a post. And this is where we left for liking of a post. The concept is going to be the opposite. So I'm going to copy the entire logic for the liking of a post and then replace with the disliking. So like I said, that is going to be the opposite. First, we have to check for the post that we want to dislike. Then the user who wants to dislike a post. And here we are finding the post. And down here, wherever you see dislikes, we're going to use likes. So here as if a user has already liked the post. So here change this one to likes. And here if a user has already disliked the post, then change this one to dislikes. And that is it. So here as disliked. And let's try out. Let me copy this and paste. Change this one to dislikes. And the endpoint here is dislikes. Then the post ID. Let me fetch all the posts here. The ID for this post is this. And let me bring it here as that and try out post dislikes. If I go ahead and then like the post liked, and then try again for dislikes and post dislikes. Well, to prove that it is working, first, let's check the post array. We have dislikes of 1, but for likes, it is none or empty. So if I go ahead and then like, it's supposed to remove the dislikes and then place into the likes. Let's try out. Now I have liked the post and let's fetch the post. Now let's see. As you can see, we have likes being 1 and dislikes empty.